Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna be playing Piggy and Roblox. I gotta run because there's a monster right here. Don't let him touch me. Don't let him touch me. Don't let him. Run! Run. Run. Oh my god, I'm so scared. Oh my god, guys, I'm so scared. Oh! There's literally another piggy there. Oh! Piggy is gone for 20 seconds. Piggy is gone for 20 seconds. Piggy is gone for 20 seconds. Oh no, we gotta run. I don't know where to run. I don't know where I should go. Bahender! Bruh. Oh my god, guys! I'm sorry about that, but oh my god. We gotta make it, bro. Oh no! Where's Piggy at? And who's this fat lady? Guys, I'm not trying to be mean, but yeah, but that's what she is. I'm not trying to lie. Oh no. I gotta follow her. Maybe she knows the game. Because guys, I haven't played this in a long time. The monster was in there. Oh my god, the monster was there. Oh my god, the monster was there. Run. Dun 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 dun. Yeah, bro, we gotta run. We gotta run until we find the shadow round. We gotta definitely run until we find the shadow round. No! Oh no, they touched me. No, they touched me. No, I gotta spectate. No, I gotta spectate. Now I died. No. Bro, I just died. But we got spectate. Bro, right now, let's watch what is in the shop. Oh, I could buy this piggy. Sheepy teacher piggy. Memory piggy. Dino piggy. And guys, actually, guys, now let's play another game. Let's play, what should we play? Should we play Don't Press the Button 4? Yeah, well, let's play Don't Press the Button. Whoa. Oh my god, oh, bro. Hey, what's up, my cousin joined me. My cousin joined me. This was not part of the video, but I guess it is. Or stop saying 6, 7. And when is the button gonna end? Like, actually. Bro, stop putting me down. You guys are putting me down to sleep. Can this already end already?
I love you.
I want it to end already. Oh, finally! Yo, avoid the rocks. What do you mean avoid the rocks? That girl's gonna be impossible to avoid. I just died in one shot. I don't want to talk about it. Bro, I just died in 1 second. Bro. Pizza! Yeah, bro, I just keep falling. Guys, I'm so sorry about that. I just died super fast.
I love spending time.
I fell.
I love spending
I
time.
got an active trying. Where's pizza? Yo! I fell. Don't fall off. How are we not supposed? Whoa! No. We're not supposed to fall. No. That's in reverse. That's just in reverse. Oh, bruh. Oh, no. We're not supposed to fall off. No, run here. Go here. Yo, go here. Yo. Someone died. That's going to be impossible to die. Yo, how are we supposed to live? How am I living? No. Someone else. She literally cheated. Get to the end without jumping. So we can't jump?
I need a hug.
I guess
Let's be friends.
no, we can't jump. Can they come to us now? Oh, we gotta follow the log.
Will you be my friend? I need a
Gotta follow
hug.
the log. Now we go here. I thought we both just died. She just died. No, how did you get there? 1, 2, 3, let's go. Come on, take me there. Oh my god, bro, you almost fell. No, don't even think about it. Okay, guys, that's gonna be it for today. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and move fire. Peace. Love you guys. Please subscribe.